Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the service indicator on most Land Rover models. So I've tried this on a bunch of different Land Rover models, and for the most time it works. It might not work on the newer Land Rover models from 2018 and onwards. But for step one, you want to turn the ignition on, then you want to open the hood or the bonnet, then open the driver's side door. Now you want to press the brake and the gas pedal at the same time and hold for about 60 seconds. So after pressing the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal for about 60 seconds, you want to turn off the ignition. Then turn the ignition back on and see if the service message is off. If not, you want to repeat this procedure. Again, this might not work with all Land Rover models, but it works on most of them. Unfortunately, I don't know which ones. But good luck. Thank you for watching.